including R&D support, prototype service, technical consultation, material sourcing, PCB assembly, conformal coating, washing, in-circuit test, function test, burn-in test, logistics, and after-sales service. Moco Factory covers an area of more than 8,000 square meters and has over 350 employees. Our manufacturing facilities include clean workshops, advanced high-speed SMT lines, AOI test, and X-ray machines. Our chip placement precision can reach plus 0.1 millimeters on integrated circuit parts. It means we can deal with almost all kinds of integrated circuits, such as the 0201 chip placement, QFN, QFP. We do AOI tests for every piece board. Only the boards that have passed this test can be moved to the next production process. Additionally,